Track and field now, where the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association expected to name the team to the World Indoor Athletics Championships to be held in Poland in short order. MVP's informed athlete Janieve Smith and Sprintech's Kadrian Golson are looking to book their tickets. The pair was among the outstanding performers at the Qwick meet at GC Foster College on Saturday.
Janieve Smith is bent on perfecting her start. She hasn't gotten there as yet, but she's getting better at it. So much so that she clocked a personal best and meet record 7.04 seconds to win her 60-meter heat.
This week was just trying to improve on that terrible start from the Gibson relays, trying to work on a bit more consistency coming out the block, proper execution. I think I did a better job in the heats, not so much the finals, but I had my composure and just ran through the line.
Now, despite being in the form of her life, everything isn't coming together for her the way she wants it to. But she returned to clock a win aided 6.96 seconds to win the women's 60-meter final ahead of Lavanya Williams and Jodine Williams.
Again, the start wasn't as good as in the heat, so I had to work a little bit harder, but, with composure, I got the job done. I wanted the start, the transition, and the finish, and I don't think I got that, but it was an improvement from the last couple races, so I'll take it.
Also looking to work on the first part of his race is 2021 World University Games sprint champion Kadrian Golson. Golson and world indoor bronze medalist Akeem Blake both clocked a win 886.46 seconds for the men's 60-meter final, with Blake given the nod. Sandra Davis' 6.94, also win-aided, was the third.
This race was more for execution for me. I'm a big finisher, so I'm trying to work on the first 60 meter of my 100 meter. So it was a good run. I made a few bad steps in the first two shots, but make some adjustments and I get it right. So the aim is just to get the first 60 right, and I know I can finish.
Now, despite the missteps, Golson says the overall objective was achieved.
The aim was to get 6-4, whether the win is legal or not. So I've accomplished that. So the aim is to move forward from this.
It is to be noted that prior to the final, Blake broke the meet record, clocking 6.50 seconds to win his heat. Meanwhile, UWI's Joel Bryan posted a career best in meet record 7.77 seconds to win the men's 60-meter hurdles in his first 60-meter hurdles race of the season. Clinton Summon with a lifetime best 7.86 was second, and Joel Facey ended third.
It's a great feeling. It shows that my training is paying off, and I'll be ready for the competitions ahead. You have the World Indoor Championships and National Trials. Right now, I'm working on my steps in between. Over last year, I had a couple niggles and injuries, but it's paying off. I'm recovered, getting better every day, and I will be ready by trials.
Kerrika Hill ran a personal best 8.12 to win the women's 60-meter hurdles ahead of Alexis James, who also ran a personal best 8.27, while Kiara Meikle was the third. Michael Moody won the women's 200 meters in a win-aided 23.78 ahead of Tritania Lowe and Anicia Trowers.
It was okay. Well, for me, I don't know coach opinion, but I think it was okay. I just need to try to keep on my legs when I come into the home stretch, and that I'll be fine.
The other outstanding performance of the meet came from World Championship mile relay silver medalist Christopher Taylor, who sped to a meet record and season's best 45.55 seconds to win the men's 400 meters. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.